today I have a quick morning stretch routine for you. You can do it after a full workout or just to loosen up in the morning after waking up. I've decided today to add some beginner modifications. You'll see it in either corner of the video here. So if you follow along and you find that one stretch is too uncomfortable or it's just not nice for you, you can go ahead and follow the modification that you'll see on one end of the screen. So when you're ready, go ahead and grab your mat. Let's get started. We're going to start sitting cross-legged, nice and tall through your spine. Anchor your sit bones into the mat. Take a deep breath in, reach your arms up, then exhale, twist to the left, bring your right hand to your left knee. Then inhale, bring your left arm up overhead, stretching to your right side. Keep that rotation going, get your left hand to grab your right knee, and then roll forwards. Restack through the center, and repeat on the other side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, rotate to your right, bring your left hand to right knee. Inhale, reach your right arm up, stretching over to the left side. Continue that stretch over to get your right hand to touch your left knee. Roll forwards and then restack through center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, rotate to the left. Inhale, side stretch, reach your left arm up. Grab hold of the opposite knee, roll forwards. Restack through the center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, rotate to the right. Left hand to right knee. Inhale, bring your right arm up, stretch over to the left. Grab hold of the opposite knee, roll forwards. Restack through the center. One more time on each side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, rotate to the left. Inhale, side stretch, reach the left arm up. Grab hold of your opposite knee, roll forwards, restack the spine. Last one, inhale, arms up. Exhale, rotate to the right. Inhale, right arm goes up, side stretch. Grab hold of your opposite knee, roll forwards, restack. From here, go ahead and uncross your legs and roll up to stand. Take a deep breath in at the top. Then exhale, let the head go, let the shoulders go, let the upper body go. Roll down over your thighs. Take a breath in at the bottom and then exhale, roll back up, tucking your tailbone under. Restack your spine, gaze forwards. Exhale, drop the head, rolling down. Inhale, hold at the bottom. Exhale, roll up. Last one, inhale, nice and tall. Exhale, roll forwards. And just hold here. Knees can be bent or straight. Grab hold of your opposite elbows and just sway a little side to side. Really let the head go. Let the torso fold over your thighs. Think of that lengthening through your spine. One more breath here, just swaying side to side. And then go ahead and bend the knees and come onto hands and knees. Inhale, reach your right arm up over to the right side, twist to the right. And then exhale, threading through, bring your right hand underneath your left underarm, resting your head and shoulder to the mat. Take a breath here. If you want, you can straighten that left arm, so you have both arms straight. And breathing here, just melting into that rotation, keep the neck relaxed. And when you're ready, push yourself back up to hands and knees. Other side. Inhale, reach your left arm up, twist your torso to the left. And then exhale, threading through. Bring your left shoulder and your head to the mat. Really extend that left arm underneath you. And if you like, you can extend the top right arm as well, pushing into the mat to go deeper into your rotation. Take a breath here. Keep your hips stacked over your knees. Just one more breath. And then push yourself back up and make your way onto your stomach. So legs long, hip width. Place your hands underneath your shoulders. Tuck your chin to keep the back of the neck long. Keep your elbows tucked in by your side. Inhale, push into the floor. Lift the breastbone off the mat. Gaze forward. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift, gaze forward. Exhale, lower. Few more, getting some extension into the spine. Last two. Last one. Hold. From here, push your arms to straighten if it feels comfortable. Keep your gaze forward, roll your shoulders back. Think of pinching your shoulder blades together and getting them to roll down towards your back pockets. Take a deep breath here, feeling that extension through your spine, the stretch through your abdomen. And then go ahead and bend your knees, push your hips back towards your heels, and come into a child's pose. Bringing your arms on either side of your body, kind of curling into a ball here. Let your forehead rest to the mat. Take a deep breath in here and feel that expansion of your rib cage on your thighs. One more breath. Really melt into this posture. And then when you're ready, go ahead and sit up. This time bring the soles of the feet together in front of you. You can grab hold of your ankles, pull the heels towards you, and sit up nice and tall. Let the knees fall out to feel a stretch through your inner thighs. Deep breath in. One more breath, hold here. And go ahead and bring your right knee in contact with your left foot. So you're going to bring the right leg out to the side in your Z-sit position. Left forearm parallel to the front of the mat. Inhale to scoop your right arm forwards and up as you push into your left hand on the floor and push your hips forwards. Take a deep breath here, feeling that opening through the whole front body. Stretching the front of your hips, your side, your back. And then coming back down. Switch the legs around. This time right shin parallel with the front of the mat, left shin next to you in your Z-sit position. Inhale, scoop the left arm forwards and up. As you push into your right hand, drive the hips forwards and just hold here. Again, stretching through your spine, your hips. Reach that top arm really long, reach the fingertips towards the top corner of the room. And then when you're ready, come back down. Take a deep breath in, and you're all done. I hope you enjoyed this quick stretch routine. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below. Let me know if you liked the modifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.